Hey girlfriends, welcome back to my channel. For today, I want to share with you guys a nourishing henna hair gloss using some leftover henna hair mask and my favorite conditioner. Back in May, I prepared a henna hair mask because I was going in to do a protective style for my hair and I'd made a bit more henna than I required. So what I did was I froze the excess in the hopes of using it as a henna gloss. I've never really done a henna gloss before, so it was a good opportunity and I had extra henna anyway, so then I could just make the gloss. This video is me showing you guys how I prepared that gloss. So before we begin, let's talk a bit about henna. Henna is a natural permanent hair dye derived from the henna plant. It grows in places like India, Pakistan, I think also in Africa. I'm not so sure about that. It's a fantastic herb for things like conditioning and strengthening your hair, but it does have some downsides. One of the things that could be seen as a downside is that henna may loosen your curl pattern. Some people might find this a downside, some people might not. If you're someone who does not want the curl pattern to be loosened, as I was doing my research, I learned that you can use amla to help combat this effect. So adding a bit of amla to your henna actually helps to keep it from loosening your curl pattern. The next thing is henna can be drying sometimes. This is something that personally I have experienced. So what you can do in terms of dealing with that drying effect is you can either go in with a moisturizing conditioner or deep conditioner after you've applied your henna, or you could add some aloe vera powder into the henna mix and that helps with the moisturizing. Personally, whenever I'm working with henna, once I'm done washing it out, because I usually just use a mask, once I'm done washing it out, I'll go in with a moisturizing deep conditioner and that helps dealing with the drying effect. So for this hair gloss recipe, the first thing that you need is your henna. In my case, I had some leftovers in the freezer. If you want, you can actually prepare a little bit of henna specifically for this. The next thing that you need is your favorite conditioner or deep conditioner, to mix everything in together. For me, I used the Aussie moisturizing deep conditioner. It's my favorite conditioner. It's so moisturizing. So I used a 1/4 cup of that and my henna. The first thing I did was I let my henna thaw. Like I mentioned before, this is henna that I prepared all the way in May. So it's been in the freezer since May. So it was basically rock solid. I let it thaw overnight. And then the next day is when I prepared the gloss. So then the next day I took 2 tablespoons of the henna gloss. I put it in a bowl and then I topped it up with the 1/4 conditioner. Then I mixed everything together. Once everything was mixed, I went into the shower, shampooed my hair, rinsed out the shampoo, and then I went in with this henna gloss. Left it in my hair for about 30 minutes to an hour. Then after that, I washed it out and continued with my moisturizing, sealing, styling. And that's it from me, guys. This was a really short video. I hope it was informative. I hope I kept it simple and it's easy to follow. In case you have any questions or comments, please feel free to comment down below. And thank you so much for watching. Until next time, see ya!